Died. Left he has only the 6 kids. There are 4 boys and the 2 daughters.
Okay.
So the first boy's name is Dharashiko and the second boy's name is Sujat. Number third is Aurangzeb. Number fourth is called Murad. She has the 2 daughters. The first daughter name is Roshanara and the second daughter name is Jahanara. She has the palace from the Agra fort. The King Shah Jahan, he is born 1590. He is born in Pakistan. Before India and Pakistan, that is the one place. And the third Queen Mumtaz, she born 1592 in Persia because she is a Persian lady. And he got married in 1612. So when they married, Shah Jahan, he is old, 22 years, and Mumtaz, she old, 20 years. In 1631, the third Queen Mumtaz, she was to die. She was to die childbirth. So when she died, she was only 39 years. It means only in the 19 years she had 14 kids. And she was not die in Agra, she was die in Burhanpur. So when the Shah Jahan bring her body in Agra, so first they keep her body that corner. There's the yellow boundaries is there.
Yes.
First they keep there only in a few days. After that, then they make beautiful grave there for the Mumtaz. Shifted her body there, buried there. Then they started to build the Taj Mahal on the same year.
Okay.
Because they started this place in 1631 and the Taj Mahal complete 1653.
Okay.
It means it took 22 years to complete this place, and on that time 20,000 people is working here. And on that time he spent 4 crore rupees. It's the 40 million rupees and on that time.
40 million rupees.
And on that time.
Okay.
Now you see that white building.
Yeah.
Just only the white building they take 17 years to complete.
Okay.
The rest 5 years they complete guest house. This side there's a mosque. Between there's a music hall. Outside there's a 4 gate.
Okay.
All these things they took to complete in 5 years.
Okay.
So the 17 and 5 has become 22.
Okay.
Everything they took to complete in 22 years. Okay. So inside that white building there is the 2 graves there.
Okay.
The first grave for the Queen Mumtaz and the second grave for the King Shah Jahan.
Okay.
But when the tourist is going inside that white building, then nobody can see the real grave because the real grave has a down inside and they close.
Okay.
On the top there they make the replica.
Okay.
So when I'm going inside that white building, then I can show you the replica.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah.